Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
Healthy, yeah? Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
I'm April Joy Eusebio. I'm 28 years old. I'm college graduate. I'm graduate at Bachelor of Practical Agriculture. I live in Cuyapon, Cabacan, North Cotabato.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you. Do you have passport?
Yes, ma'am. I
Are
have.
you okay? So you mentioned that you are single with live-in partner and do you have children?
Yes, ma'am.
How old?
1 year old,
How
ma'am.
many? One only, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when is your birthday?
April 30, 1996.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5. My weight is 68.
68.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is your religion?
Church of Christ.
Church of Christ. Okay. How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
He is 29 years old and she is a family driver.
Okay. Is he allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Your child is still young. Why you wanted to come and work here?
Because of my daughter. She need more support, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So, who will going to take care of this kid once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mother and my father, ma'am.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation? And at the same time, how old is your father and what is his occupation?
My mother is 58 years old. Her, her occupation is housewife. My
Okay.
father is 59 years old and her work is a farmer.
Okay. So how many sibling do you have? Do you have sibling? Do you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
how many brother and sister do you have?
I have one sister and I have one brother.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
I am the second,
You
ma'am.
are the second. Okay. So, you know that being a domestic helper is very tough. You also got the degree. Why suddenly you wanted to work here as a domestic helper?
Because in Asia, ma'am, the domestic helper is the salary is good, not like here in Philippines, ma'am.
Okay. So, you know that you were going to sign a 2 years contract. Any
Yes, ma'am.
uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself and you need to embrace yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Once you breach your contract, also you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to be flexible. You need to be multitasking. Domestic helper is really very tough. There is a lot of big houses here and you need to clean the entire house. You need to clean you need to clean the toilets. You need to sleep very late at night. Your lunch, your breakfast, your dinner, you might eat like quite late and very late. So are you okay to endure? Are you okay? Can you endure
Yes,
all of it?
yes, ma'am.
Are you sure? We don't want later to hear such a terrible complaint from you guys that mom, so you need to adjust yourself, you need to have some time management, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So in your bio data it was stated that you have a working experience as a housemaid also, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
You worked there for 4 years, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
In which place in the Philippines?
In Kuan, ma'am, in Kabakan, North Cotabato.
North Cotabato. Okay. Can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in Cotabato?
The name of my employer is Lorna M. Mapanaw. Then I start at work him in February 8, 2020. I end at March 10, 2024. Then my work her in her house is cleaning, watering plant, cooking.
You do laundry and ironing?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you
I
take your
love
children there?
no, ma'am.
No. So you only do house chores, cooking, laundry, ironing, and at the same time you're watering the plants, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what happened? Why you decided to didn't continue working to this employer?
Because I need to found another salary, ma'am. Because here in Philippines is small salary, not like in Asia.
Okay. So are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am, but
It's
I'm
okay.
not.
It's a yes or no. If
No.
no, then it's okay. No problem. So, are you okay to take your pets?
Yes, ma'am.
You didn't afraid of any dogs or cats?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work, okay?
Yes.
You are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out. If you will work on your rest day, of course, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am. I'm okay.
So you are agree with our terms and conditions.
Yes, ma'am. I
We don't
agree.
want Okay, we don't want later that once you reach here in Malaysia, you will give us trouble and you give us problem. No such a thing because in our initial interview, we already inform you about all these things. So there is we need to adhere also with the rules and regulations, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Any problems, any concerns with the employer, you let them know because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Always respect, follow the culture because this is not Philippines. In Philippines, we can do whatever we want, but here in Malaysia or in any other countries that you were applying for, then we need to follow also. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, how will you what will you gonna do if homesickness attack you, knowing that this is your first time working abroad and you will working quite far away from your family? What will you do like homesickness attack you?
Mm, I'll do hard work, ma'am, to out my homesick.
Oh, so you will just focus lang on taking care on doing the things so that you could not feel homesick, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what will you do if the employer scold you but you didn't do anything wrong?
Mm, if my employer, I say sorry, then after that, I explain what happened.
Okay. So, April, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you
Thank you so
po.
much and have a good day.